Hi, this is Mike Melsmone with Eastie Enterprises. Today we're going to be going over our tape threading of our silver Eastie tape heads. Today we're going to be taking the tape head out of our SB2HD heavy duty case taper. So on the top we have a D10 pull ring. We'll pull this out, slide the tape head up and out of the system. And to thread it, again we'll find the sticky side of the tape. Make sure that's up, place it on the tape core. Pull it down. I'm going to go over the first plastic roller with the sticky side on the outside. Sticky side will go onto the black roller itself and pull it through the tape head itself. Once we're at this point, we can take our rear wipe roller. Again, make sure that you keep your hands out of the knife blade area because it's very sharp, and cut the tape. Once we have our tape threaded and tape in the tape machine, we'll turn the machine on and run a test box to make sure that the tape cuts it as it needs to. Thanks for tuning in and watching our tape threading diagram of our Eastie silver tape heads. Again, if you have any more questions or you want to see some other videos, please join us at eastie.com or our YouTube channel.